I'm going to make a cup of latte macchiato on the BZ16. The first step you need to do is you need to open this up, wipe the portafilter, fill the portafilter with ground coffee. I'm going to head towards there because that's where my grinder is. Portafilter on the mat, Tamper on it, even level it, then we have 2 shot glasses. Press 2 shots. Okay. Now we're going to steam the milk. I'm going to steam the milk just by placing it like this. Zero 1000, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Wipe, flush, have a latte macchiato cup ready, or glass. Give it a swirl, pour in the center. Give the shot glass a swirl, pour in the center. And this is a latte macchiato, a single shot. If you like a stronger cup of coffee, you can have a double shot. I would suggest you to use a shot glass with a spout. Makes pouring much easier. And now let's make a double shot latte macchiato. And there you go, double shot latte macchiato done on the BZ16. Cheers.
Goodbye, and please subscribe. I drink coffee. Goodbye, and please subscribe. Goodbye, and please subscribe.
Sekarang rekod.